club of the 20th century and Recha 3-0. Now we have 9 reasons in Asante Kotoko. A share 3 no. Yeah, they break down no mouth. If you know say Kotoko a year crash of Fuka free war or third position with about 8 games to go. No, Asante Kotoko 42 points. And I do the league in a kind. She say no, a baby go stars. And I got first with 48 points. Points difference no 6 points. However, Kotoko ni media mano and a points difference no 4 points. Inti we 2 games pe Kotoko betimi at 10 ade no. Na waje Ghana Premier League 2025-2026. I was say Kotoko a born home them. Na IMC omu third season omu womni. So mutimi G League ya many beche the club of the century. Asante Kotoko ukuma pema apembeba ezamutu. Ye fan kutwalu to da. Pacho sa won subscribe ya wadara ma no wa hit the red subscribe button no so. Na wabado ma no so na ya build it together and ye come match num into proper perspective and analysis and yedi Asia Ufiano. O subscribe ya wadara ma no wa hit the red subscribe button no so. Na wabado ma no so information will be as you in your hope na yedi munchiri mu ene muntiase no Asia Ufia. Join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 na yendika subum no ho opese wo so ya sene a mesere beboaye dwumadi na enye ize ede pa na madaroma monso mohwe ni ntira me nso min give up ade bia me de ba no sa opese wo sponsor ya 0247 10 7260 na de obia no fabra na beboya sidon na beboya sene de bia yemfa Kotoko ho nsem no enhia wo fi and me hwe the 9 reasons a ma Kotoko share nation service no na some of the key highlights of the game no and me de exceptional things are you who ya lead to the victory for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, na the dikaini number 1 Kotoko bobo no na Kotoko who say Kotoko ashe first half goal. The likelihood of Kumasi Asante Kotoko winning the goal no winning the game no 90%. Sa Kotoko nyashe first half goal likely say Kotoko will go ahead and win this particular game. Inti anyanwa first half no na abetamwa Koti cross ordinity premier ekoto na chimo. Ehwana me say Kotoko is set to win this particular game. So the reason number 1 was the first half goal no. So Kotoko nya first half goal eboa ema Kotoko winning. Now number 2 Samba comeback. Was a Samba Kotoko ne Karela no oko Congo soldier eko Congo eko ye ne maame yi. Na obaye no or the new energy na baya o make sure say echiri ho no master udisi yebetu na oboa nti Samba comeback no solidify the defense of Asante Kotoko na yehu say one Zach na elbow echiri ho no na and also eboa ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the needed win. Now the reason number 3 Donzo Morfin akwa no de go no ni misho ba ni recreate no e wosoro Donzo Morfin we create no wosoro and now o he ball now to say ono ba mu no goes to e ba no ne be ya assist ni nyina and o sa share ba akọ so enti Donzo Morfin no a player bi and the work create no very good. We hear special mention in the 9 reasons why Kumasi Asante Kotoko won this particular game no yemfa nebo emano. Now reason number 4 Kotoko Albert Amwa express a statement of the fact say no the form no oko Libya the enjingu sa te say the amanfo e kan no on say Kotoko Osabaye no I think we in the second or third goal for the club na obaye na say onhusu sa but enra no o prove to everyone say ne skill no eda so ho ne quality in getting the ball into the net, is still intact. So Albert Amwa made a statement of intent to say, still now, or the solid striker, Asante Kotoko, a bit within any atono so at all times. So could take crossover on the buyer or dignity. Na enye chances because na defenders digit him and or head a bono a koto atirema kumasa Asante Kotoko ukuma pema by Samoto Yemfanku Chaluto. Now, reason number 5 for the reasons why Kotoko won the game cannot be mentioned without Kote Emmanuel Kote. And not obi catch him say 2 hodie e Kote dia Kote prayer na Lord Amwa ebe ye nkonya Lord ebe je hono na Kotoko no de bia meka say soldier go soldier can barracks remain the same. Kotoko en lucky too that from Aziz Ansa so ye benya Harrison afomu che Kotoko 2 de obua Harrison afo de se na wo 3 Samuel Nkumu Kotoko 2 de obua enti Kotoko no soldier go soldier camp Kote kire se 2 no Lord ni ho a ono no 2 no na ye ne dia so enti waba wabeji 2 na boso enra o make surging runs pan eboa ma akumasa Asante Kotoko inya the needed victory. Now you can the reasons 9 reasons that Kotoko win the game now enra Kotoko ball clean sheet na clean sheet a Kotoko ball you know goalkeeper of them Aziz Aruna Dari ono ene ma Kotoko nya clean sheet ball anto na tenem ball anto Kotoko atenem na I was say ono so reason number 6 no ekomano as Aziz Aruna Dari ebo no homode pa in the game o make sure say ball anto krobia Asante Kotoko metema atenem Kamara na de oko inti say the future is Aziz Aruna Dari make say Kamara kwa ne contract so ya bona wo say me menya contract e South Africa menya contract o den inti obeko kra no wan ha Kotoko nsenya kapre inti ze yema yani enko Aziz Aruna Adari so na yemwa na bibia enye kama. Now reason number 8 and I say number 8 for the reasons why Kotoko won the game no yemfama coach no and now coach no the changes or no was superb, was on point, was absolutely fantastic. Coach Prince Owusu beti wa the league yo inti yemmoni chidom yemmo no na onye adwuma no eno ultimately change oye nyina no a result positively into the game for Kotoko getting those 2 goals are a buy after say oye changes no inti ono so here special mention. Now the overall best reason why Asante Kotoko won this 3-0 win no and na me hair ball no you could see say there was unity among the players. Messi ewiase nkabom na ye bibia sa uye bibia na nkabom wo ho a the victory ba Kotoko next game no against Aduana me bompa say eno so yebeko na yakofa we aba